As we gather here today, I am filled with immense gratitude and love. I am deeply honored to have the opportunity to express my heartfelt thanks to the most important people in my life, my superheroes, my parents. First and foremost, I want to thank each of you for being here today to share this special moment. Your presence means a lot to me and adds to the joy of this occasion. To my dear parents, thank you for your support and unconditional love. Your sacrifices, hard work, and unwavering belief in me have shaped me into the person I am today. You have always been my guiding lights, providing me with the strength and courage to pursue my dreams. Your wisdom and guidance have been invaluable throughout my life. You have taught me the importance of integrity, perseverance, and kindness. Your lessons have not only helped me navigate through challenges, but have also installed in me values that I hold dear. Reflecting on the countless ways you have supported me, I am overwhelmed with gratitude. From the sleepless nights you spent taking care of me, to the countless sacrifices you made to make sure I had the best opportunities. Your love has been the foundation of my success and happiness. I cherish the special memories and moments we have shared, whether it was celebrating achievements, offering comfort during difficult times, or simply spending time together. Each moment has been a precious gift. Your constant presence and encouragement have been a source of comfort and joy. Thank you for providing me with the opportunity to grow, learn, and thrive. Your belief in my potential has motivated me to aim high and strive for excellence. You have always been my biggest cheerleaders, celebrating my success and encouraging me to overcome setbacks. In conclusion, I want to express my deepest gratitude to you, Mom and Dad. Your love, support, and sacrifices have made all the difference in my life. I am incredibly